just slip away in this quiet corner where we stay. No need for words, just the light on your face, finding our peace in this holy space. It's a simple kind of beautiful day. I see you pause by the window pane, watching the clouds after the falling rain. You turn to me with a smile so wide, bringing the warmth of the world inside. We built a fortress with wood and stone, the sweetest home